Hello friends, welcome back to Tech with IQ. Today, we will learn how to convert an Instagram account into a professional mode. For this, simply open your Instagram app. Click on the account icon from the bottom right end of your screen. Go to this three lines icon. Click on Settings. Now go to Account. Scroll down your screen layout. Click on Switch to a professional account. These are all features or functions provided by the professional mode of the Instagram account. Here, you need to fill in your identity. I am selecting a video creator as my professional description. Now Instagram is asking if I am a creator or running a business. Click on Next. I am turning on professional emails to get updated. I am not sharing my login details via account centers. Click on Not Now. Now here, you will get 5 steps to complete your journey of setting up my professional account. Here, you need to follow 3 inspirational figures. Next is the process of growing your audience, where you need to invite your friends in any way. I will choose WhatsApp for publicity. 3 out of 5 steps have been done. The next step is to introduce yourself, where you need to upload your post, share your ideas, or display your product category, services, or anything else. Now explore tools and insights, and it will automatically be complete. Here you go. You have completed all these 5 steps. Now go back to your home screen. See, a professional dashboard has been granted to our account. Thank you for watching this video. Please click on the subscribe button to get updates with more useful information like this.